Ungqongqoshe wezokuxhumana uSoli Malathi uthi izikhalo zomphakathi yizo ezenze ukuba kuhlehliswe umnqamulajuqu wangomhla zingama-28 wephezulu.
We resolved that as an instrument of showcasing our care and compassion, particularly given that most of these people are the elderly, that we should rather provide an extension of the date so that there is sufficient time for the switch to happen.
Malathi uthi bekufanele lamakhadi amadala aguqulwe ukugwema ubugebengu obesebudlangile ngalamakhadi amadala.
It is part of also enhancing their security features on the Postbank card because it is much more secure in being resilient to fraudulent and other nefarious attempts, unlike the previous card.
Abahola imali yesibonelelo kwaSASSA bebenovalo lokuthi angeke bekwazi ukuguqula amakhadi abo ngesikhathi esibekiwe njengoba bekufanele bebambe olayini abade.
Lokho kuyasijabulisa ngoba manje le 28 lezi besezenza ukuthi sinyathelane lapha. So manje kungcono njengoba sokwenziwe ukuthi kube ne-postpayment ye-20. Sijabule kabi.
Masimelane elining khona abantu bathi bafike ngabo 3 ngabona mina at least ngifike ngabo 6. So and into engisukhuluma ukuthi bayasikhatha still bazosikhatha njengami ngiyeka yi2 amashop awu2 bayangikhatha and mawumile elayinini abantu basebenza ngaphakathi bangenisa abantu babo kuqale babazi.
Isuggestion yami ukuthi sicela ukuthi kube ngoba kunabantwana akunakuholelwa abantwana kuholelwa ama-pensioners ama-disabled zonke lezi zinto lezi makube nokuthi ama-pensioners abe nelanga lawo as masiyohola i-grant.
Malathi uthi ukuhlehliswa kwalomnqamulajuqu kuzophinde kunike umnyango wezokuxhumana kanye nowokuthuthukiswa komphakathi isikhathi esanele sokusebenzisana neSASSA kanye neposi lakuleli ukuba kuqashwe abanye abasebenzi abazophuthumisa lo msebenzi.